Hi, welcome back. In our previous class, we have used COUNTIF to check if there are duplicates in our dataset, and we have found some tools inside here. And now the question comes that how do we visually identify these duplicates in our dataset? And we have said one option is conditional formatting. So now, by assuming just one column, for example, if you think of just this column, you can select column values inside here, go to Home tab, conditional formatting, new rule, and now you can say format only unique or duplicate. I want to format duplicate value, go to format, select a color, and say OK, and say OK. Now by scrolling, you will going to find where there is some duplicate in this column getting highlighted. And we have said for us to consider data to be duplicate, all values in all the columns to be the same. And of course, that is what we have done through these two helper columns, that is concat and COUNTIF functions. Now I want to be highlighting the entire data set in case, entire row, in case of duplicate. So to do that, I want to select my data from here to somewhere here, shift down arrow, then there, that is my data. Okay, I leave out the others. I go to from Home tab, conditional formatting, new rule. This time round I want to be using formulas. Okay, I want to say is equal to $n2 is greater than 1. When the value in n2 is greater than 1, format for me, I choose the color that I want, I say OK, and I say OK. So you can see we have those two values are getting highlighted as duplicate. To study this further, you can of course create some filters in here. Alright, go to the filter by color, and choose the color, and now you can see these two values are what we have in here. Of course, you can undo your filter, you can, sorry, that is sort, you can filter by color and have these two values. Look at them, they all have the same member ID, first name is the same. So this value is actually very serious duplicate that we have. What you are advised after having this is maybe not leaving your data this way, because you have a little bit dirtified your data by adding these two helper columns. You can hide these helper columns in here and say hide, right, so that your data doesn't have or doesn't look a little dirty by adding those two helper column. And of course the helper column has helped you to come up with this. Now we have identified duplicates. What is next? Handling duplicates. See you in our next class. Enjoy learning.